Experiencing microphone problems with your AirPods Pro Gen 2 on either iPhone or Android? Let's get it sorted. First, ensure your AirPods are properly paired via Bluetooth settings. For iPhones, check microphone permissions under Privacy and Security settings. Android users enable dual audio or call audio routing in Bluetooth settings to prioritize mic input. A common fix is to update your device's OS and AirPods firmware to the latest versions. Try toggling Bluetooth off and on or resetting your AirPods by holding the setup button on the case for 15 seconds. Clean the mic grills with a soft, dry cloth to remove any obstructions like dust or earwax. If problems persist, test in safe mode to isolate potential software conflicts. Remember, many issues are software related and resolvable with these steps. So, let's run through the fixes and get you back to crystal clear audio. For iPhone users, enable voice isolation in accessibility settings to reduce background noise. Android users should experiment with different Bluetooth codecs, switching to SBC if experiencing instability with Qualcomm's aptX Adaptive. Clear the Bluetooth cache on your Android device to resolve potential conflicts. Ensure no conflicting app permissions are blocking mic access on Android. A Reddit user fixed mic issues on iOS 18 beta by downgrading firmware via iTunes. Be mindful of hardware degradation. If cleaning doesn't help, it may be a hardware fault. Apple's warranty covers Gen 2 models for 2 years. Check the microphone via Apple's diagnostic tool in the Settings app. In the future, expect AI-driven diagnostics to auto-resolve mic imbalances.